Hey everyone, welcome back to the HighNote channel. Are you one of the many real estate agents wondering how to take your business to the next level? Namely from rookie to top producer to team leader, then to a brokerage owner and finally selling your brokerage? Whatever stage you're at, this is the place for you as we regularly deliver great tips and content on how to get you to the next stage of your career, whatever stage that is. We provide this information for free. And I'm just walking you guys through my personal journey as a rookie agent to the #2 condo agent in San Francisco, to a team leader and eventually owner of Climb Real Estate, which we led to an acquisition by Realogy. Today, I'm founder and CEO of HighNote, the latest and greatest sales platform for the real estate industry. All I ask in return is that if you get anything out of this, do me a favor, you hit that like button. And if you want to keep getting tips and regular content, hit the subscribe button as well. It's very helpful for our channel. Drop a comment below and let me know what other questions we can answer for you. We always appreciate the feedback. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching, and we hope you get a lot out of this.
Let's move to other ways to make money on YouTube. So the second thing that we need to do, right, which is we all should be reporting on the housing market today. Okay, period, end of story. The housing market's the most interesting storyline that exists on the planet. And it is volatile and it is interesting. And every single person in your database, your past clients, your sphere, your friends, they're all curious with the one question. With all the chaos going on in the world, what's happening to prices in our local neighborhood? Answer that question, do it on YouTube, and then take the link, email it to your database. Now, are you guys going to get a lot of new business from that? No. Is it going to get a lot of views? Probably not. But is that good for your brand? Yes. Does that increase your referability? Yes. Does that increase your respect to your community that you did it on YouTube and you emailed it and you did a good job? Yes. That's what we want there. Okay. So what's the next thing we can do on YouTube in terms of content? Well, I highly recommend you guys do more Zoom interviews. So if you come to my channel, which I recommend all of you guys to do, come to my channel, right? Patrick Ferry or Coach Patrick Ferry, whatever it is, just look me up on YouTube, right? I interviewed Randy. Randy, tell me about HighNote. I've interviewed Mark. Mark, tell me about HighNote. I just interviewed an economist. Tell me what agents should and should not be saying when they're talking about the housing market. I interview all kinds of amazing people, and you guys should be interviewing all kinds of amazing professionals that you recommend for your business as well. So, Rachel, do you think it's a good idea that you interview someone on insurance and homeowners insurance? Because it's very different in Florida than it is in California, than it is in Michigan, right? Now, in terms of weatherproofing windows, I was talking to my clients in Miami. Well, who's the best resource for that? For me in San Diego, I really need to talk to someone about solar and figure out what to do with solar and what are the rebates and what are we doing and how's the cost working and how's this all working. I don't want to be responsible for reporting on that, but I want to be responsible for finding great people that can educate my community, take the link, email it to my database, and do longer form education. That's a no-brainer.
If you want to keep getting tips, hit the subscribe button as well. Thanks for watching, and we hope you get a lot out of this.